Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I'm back with a project share. Recently, I joined Creating Jovi for a super fun Friday Live, a craft with me session, and we worked on a postcard mini album. And so I'm going to show you what I ended up making. We used scrapbook paper for the base, and we made a master board where I used different brochures and ephemera from my travels to Japan. Real quickly, wanted to show you some of these traveling ephemera that you can get free at the airport, at coffee shops. You can get business cards. So I made use of these, cut them out, and created a masterboard base. Now, if you missed the live and you'd like to see how we made it step by step, make sure to check out her video. I'm going to put it, I'll link it at the end here and watch it on playback. So now I'm going to do a flip through. This is a 4x6 mini album in size. And here is our front cover. The image you see here of Mount Fuji is a cutout from our brochures. And this cute little origami girl was something that they gave for free at their tourism kiosk at the airport in Tokyo. And you can see a little word there. It says, "Welcome to Tokyo." These are also cutouts, some stationery on the base. For the binding, instead of stitching, we use some of these binder rings, and I attached an adorable souvenir keychain I got from a place called Kittyland. They had one floor dedicated to only Snoopy. You guys will love it. All right, so let's flip our page. So what we did was create our own postcards, and it's kind of a faux postcard because we're mimicking what it would look like if you did send it out in the mail. And I used this beautiful Japanese image stamp that I thrifted as our little art focal piece here. Some washi tape with some Japanese characters. And then this is the stamp. Let me show you real quick if you're curious to create that postmark look. I also had these wonderful Japanese style stamp stickers that Felicia had gifted me from FP Handmade. So Felicia, thank you so much. In addition to our postcards, a lot of you probably have these project life cards in your stash. And I thought for extra writing space, we added these little kind of mini dividers, if you will. And I put some of this cutouts that I got from a little toy that my daughter Emmy got. And then you can write. Here's a little ticket ephemera. This is from a brochure of like a walking map that kind of, I cut it apart. And then you have this beautiful imagery here. And I love what it says here too. That was also on the review. I mean, on the postcard or brochure. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? Okay, so the next page is something where I decided to do a little something different. The postcard is a little short on space for longer entries. So what I did was I created a little tuck spot here with our little ticket ephemera, a little cutout of the Tokyo Tower, and it is accordion style little page that you can write on for longer. So you have front and back, and when you're done, so it's not flipping like this, you can tuck it back in, just like that. This continues with our project life card. I love these. It has this beautiful tickets in there in the grid paper. I matted the other side of it with some of the Japanese stationery that I got. And then here is a little cutout. I did some fuzzy cutting from the brochure to show our train in Tokyo. And then you have the name of the train line. On the flip side of that, we have little traveling ephemera again, scallop edge piece here. Little figurines of cats. They had so many cats. And then we have the word Tokyo. Again, this is not a project life card. I forget where it was from, but it's similar. Really love that it already has the prompts for you so you can do your notations. And then here is another way, just simply embellishing. You can, do collaging on there. One of the brochures actually had 2 free postcards. And this is one of them. So we have Mount Fuji and the beautiful cherry blossoms. On the back side, decided to just put a little pocket here. I may be embellishing this some more. And this is a nice, great way to put your tickets and keepsakes and then write at the same time. Here's another little card here for a divider. And then on the flip side, like here's a little tuck spot using some ephemera. We have a little business card of one of the last places that we stayed at, so I can just tuck it in there. Now, how adorable is this illustration? Again, it was from a commuter brochure, and I just love the way they look. I put a little ephemera here with the arrow pointing. I also cut this out from another brochure. That's the name of the train line. And I fuzzy cut this cute little cat to make it appear like it's walking on the wall. So cats are revered in Japan, so there's so many. And then I got this adorable Year of the Dragon stamp. I believe it was from a store called Loft. But let me just show you what it looks like. How cute is that? And it says right there who made it, and it's made in Japan. So I love that we did some of our faux postmark and stamping there. To create a little division here, I used also some washi and another stamp. We have a cute little note card, and here's the other train stamp that train postcard that I got from that brochure. There's so much more space to write on or decorate, but these are so compact and so easy to make for on-the-go journaling. You can also make them as you go. Just bring some of these binder clips with you if you would like. Bring a stick of glue, some washi, and packable scissors, and you can start making your own. You can also use real postcards and put them in the mix if you would like. But I had so much fun joining Jovi for her Friday Live. I hope you guys check it out. She has some wonderful live streams with so many different crafty friends, so many fun ideas for journaling and crafting. I also wanted to do a quick shout out to all the wonderful ladies that joined us for the live. We had so much fun interacting with you guys. I can see now how much these live streams are so much fun. It's so fun to craft, and the more the merrier. So I hope you join in the fun. Check out Jovi's channel. It's Creating with Jovi. Again, Jovi, big thank you. Can't wait to do something soon with you again. Thanks again for watching, guys. Happy weekend. Bye.